Hello guys, so welcome back to Centennial College Math Shopping channel. Today we are going to be looking at proofs of basic trigonometric identities. So the trigonometric identities we are going to be taking a look at would be sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. The second one is 1 plus tangent square theta equals secant square theta. And the third one is gonna be 1 plus cot square theta equals cosecant square theta. Alright, so these are the basic identities we are going to be taking a look at. Now let's make a triangle for them. Now let's say that this is our triangle with sides z, y, and x. So opposite angle to z would be capital Z, opposite angle to y would be y, opposite angle to x would be x. So here we know, according to Pythagorean theorem, z square equals x square plus y square, right? So now I'm gonna write this equation down and all three of them. We are gonna be doing the proofs of all three of them at once. Alright, so now we have written the Pythagorean theorem on all three of them. And what we are gonna do right now, and this equation where sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, what we'll do is we'll divide with z square on both sides of the equation. So if I divide with z square on both sides, I'll have z square over z square, x square over z square, and y square over z square. Now we know z square over z square would cancel out and give us 1. And x square over z square can be written as x over z whole square, right? And y square over z square can be written as y over z whole square. So now what is x over z? In this triangle, if we take a look, what is x over z? If this is our angle theta, what is x over z? Yeah. So x over z would be our cos theta, because cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So this is x is our adjacent, y is opposite because it's opposite to angle theta, and z is our hypotenuse. And so I can write x over z in here as cos theta, right? And the square of this plus, and y over z. What is y over z here? So if we take a look closely, we can say that phi over z is opposite over hypotenuse, right? And what is opposite over hypotenuse? Yeah, sine theta. So I can replace y over z with sine theta. Sine theta whole square equals 1. And now I can rewrite the equation as 1 equals cos square theta plus sine square theta, or sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. And this is our proof for the first equation. Now let's take a look at 1 plus tangent square theta equals secant square theta. So now we have already divided by z square. It's a method which is very similar to them. But over here, what we are going to be dividing by is x square. So z square is divided by x square is divided by x square, and y square is divided by x square. Now, of course, x square over x square would cancel out and give us 1. Z square over x square can be written as z over x whole square. And y square over x square can be written as y over x whole square. So now let's again take a look what is z over x in this triangle. Z over x. Z over x. According to this angle theta, z is our hypotenuse and x is our adjacent. And what is hypotenuse over adjacent? Yep, secant theta. Right? So z over x can be written as secant square theta, or for now we can write it as secant theta square equals 1 plus y over x. What is y over x? Y over x. In this triangle, y over x is opposite over adjacent. And what is opposite over adjacent? Yeah, tangent theta. So I can write y over x as tangent square tangent theta square, and I can rewrite the equation as 1 plus tangent square theta equals secant square theta. That's it. So by now you know the drill. First we divided with z square, then we divided with x square, so the only term left to divide with is y square. Yeah, so we'll divide with y square, so z square over y square, x square divided by y square, and y square also divided by y square. Now we know y square divided by y square would cancel out and give us 1, and x square over y square can be written as x over y whole square, and z square over y square can be written as z over y whole square. Now again, we'll look what trigonometric ratio is z over y and x over y. So let's take a look what is z over y. If this is our angle theta, what is z over y? Z is our hypotenuse and y is our opposite. So z over y hypotenuse over opposite would be, cosecant theta. So I can replace z over y with cosecant theta whole square plus, and let's take a look what is x over y. X over y. X is our adjacent and y is our opposite. And what is adjacent over opposite? Yeah, cot theta. So I can replace x over y with cot theta, and then square as given in the equation plus 1. And now I can rewrite the equation as 1 plus cot square theta equals cosecant square theta. And that's it for our third proof.